self. Watch the birds fly. Do, 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 do. No, no. Hey, self. Oops. Now you go to 6. It says on the leaderboard that you have to do 5, but no, you don't. They made a mistake. You don't have to do Strando 5. That was a mistake on their part. Fuck! Yeah, I should have waited, Yeah, Strand of 5, they made a mistake. You don't have to do Strand of 5, I don't know what happened there. They must have made a big mistake. You don't do 5. There's no birds in Strando 5. There's no birds in Strando 5. Do 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 do. Okay. Almost done here. We're done already, but yeah, anyways, that's it. We are done. That was about, what was it, about a 4:45? That's not bad. Wow, Grandmaster Mario, yeah, that's it. Bird percent Possum Mode, Nintendo Switch. Damage 1, of course. Alright, yeah, Grandmaster Mario. Alright. Another bird percent category done. Alright. Bye.